Stop! Have you checked your credit score recently? One of the key things to keep in mind if you own a credit card is to maintain a good credit score. This score shows your financial health in terms of indebtedness and how efficiently and responsibly you are able to tackle it. A good credit score can help you negotiate with the lender for lower rates while getting a loan. On the other hand, a bad credit score can affect your loan taking capability in the future as lenders will consider you a high risk borrower. Missed payments, active loan accounts that may have been paid off in the past, or having no borrowing history at all are some of the factors that can lead to a bad credit score. Even too many inquiries about credit can affect your credit score. The good news is that there are ways to improve your credit score and to make the road ahead smoother for you. Here are 5 ways to maintain a disciplined approach. Check your credit score. It is important that you check your credit score and look into the reasons why it's low if it is so. Make payments on time. Making timely payments, whether it is EMI or credit card bill, is crucial. Missed payments is one of the primary reasons that affects the credit score. So the next time your credit card bill comes in, don't just pay the minimum amount due, but try and settle the full amount or at least as much as you can afford. Maintain low debt utilization rate. If you use credit cards, ensure that you don't exceed the credit limit month after month. Utilization of credit is seen as risky behavior. It goes without saying that you must spend what you can afford to start with. Build a credit history. Credit information companies also look at past credit history or repayment and borrowing behavior in the past to assign a credit score. Often, first-time borrowers face a challenging situation as they may have not taken any loans in the past. One of the ways to build a credit history is to take an asset-backed credit card, for instance, one that is backed up by a fixed deposit, and make regular payments for a specific period of time. Once you are able to build an immaculate credit history, it will become easier and easier for you to borrow the bigger loans. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. For more such information, subscribe to ICICI Direct.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.